Hola chicos, welcome to the last little bit of vocab practice we're gonna have for the year actually. So hopefully you read on my slide already that we are only gonna be required to do 5 E, F, and G. If you have started 5A or have want to, that is awesome. You'll only be ahead of the game, but this is what we're requiring for now. So what we're going to do, I'm going to say the word and then you're going to repeat so you can practice your pronunciation and be ready to rock. Alright, so los números ordinales, primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, décimo. So obviously those are 1st through 10th numbers. So you might be in 9th grade, so you'd say, soy en noveno grado. Palabras adicionales, ahora mismo, right now. El año. ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? La fecha is date. ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? While I'm recording this, hoy es el 18 de mayo. We'll get to that in a minute. De buen humor. Estoy de buen humor. O de mal humor. Buen humor, mal humor. To be in a good mood or bad mood. La estación. El mes. Todavía. Alright, so las estaciones son 4 estaciones. Y los meses del año deben ser fáciles porque ya hicimos los meses durante los diarios. So the months of the year should be fairly easy. We've done September through March already because we do diarios. Here we go. El invierno. El invierno incluye diciembre, enero, febrero. La primavera. La primavera incluye marzo, abril, mayo. Estamos en mayo. La primavera. El verano es mi estación favorita porque me gusta nadar y esquiar en agua. El verano, junio, julio, agosto. El otoño incluye septiembre, octubre, noviembre. Mi cumpleaños es en otoño. Mi cumpleaños es el 5 de noviembre. So I was just saying my birthday's in the fall. My birthday is November 5th. So we're going to work on learning how to form dates, ask what date it is, etc. So, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? Is going to be a very important question to know. Es el 1 de octubre. Es el 2 de marzo. Es el 10 de noviembre. So you can see the translations on the side there. What do they mean? So these are questions and statements related to el tiempo. ¿Qué tiempo hace? So tiempo kind of means time, but actually in this situation would mean weather. What's the weather like right now? ¿Hace buen tiempo o hace mal tiempo? Aquí en mi casa hoy hace mal tiempo porque está lloviendo. Está lloviendo. There's water. Or you could say llueve. I'm going to go back up here. Hace mucho calor. This is not true for today, but if you want to say it's hot, say hace mucho calor. Hace calor. Hace mucho frío. Es la verdad. Hoy hace mucho frío en mi casa. Another one we could say, durante enero posiblemente nieva. It's snowing. Está nevando. It's snowing. Those are so 2 different ways to say it's snowing. Don't worry about figuring out why. Just know that there's 2 options. Está nublado, or está muy nublado would be it's very cloudy. Hace fresco. It's like cool out, not hot, not cold. Crisp, you might say in English. Hace sol. No hace sol hoy en mi casa. Hace mucho viento. Windy. Okay, did I get everything? Yeah. Alright, so hopefully you're already good at days of the week from all of our practice with diarios. I'm gonna put myself up here. So please note that the days of the week are not capitalized. That has not been a mistake at all. You do not capitalize in Spanish the days of the week. Just the way it is. I think it's weird that we capitalize our days of the week. Alright, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Right? So, el día is the day. Hopefully you're using that. El fin de semana. El fin is what you see at the end of a movie. The end. The end of the week. Fin de semana. So, la semana, the week. Hopefully you already know what hoy is. Hoy, today. Mañana, el futuro, tomorrow. Ayer, en el pasado, yesterday. So these ones would be important to know as well. Alright, I'll let you guys do this. Listen to the song. Help you memorize these if you haven't already. Here's a review of Los Meses del Año. And I'm going to let you use this slide as you wish. Practice what are the months of each season, etc. So, hopefully you enjoy this practice. If you need any extra one-on-one help, I'm always happy to help. Just send me an email. I'm there for you. If you have any questions that you don't want to just chat about, just directly an email would be fine as well, too. Hasta luego, chicos!